Okay, today we're going to be opening a sealed Tonka Dodge style dump and trailered mixer, 1975. These are ordered from a catalog. And once I open the sealed box, it should look exactly like the other one shown. Let's see what happens. To be fair, one flap is semi-loose anyway, so you can see, you can get a peek inside. So let's take a look. Let's get a sharp knife. Open that up. Flip it back over. See what we have here. Okay. Wax paper. Insert and mixer. So I think it was in the box like that. And the wax paper protected the top and the bed, like this. And here's another piece of wax paper. And inside you have the mixer and the wheelbarrow. A lot of wax paper, actually. Take a look at it. Looks pretty nice. Very good. One thing that's interesting is there's no lookbook, and the other one did come with a lookbook, but I do have extra. So there you have it.